welcome or welcome back to my channel. Now, if you just stumbled onto this video and you're new here, hi, my name is Candace, and here we discuss all things motherhood, home decor, lifestyle, and I also do some vlogging. I'm a mom to two incredible little girls, Ava and Raina. My oldest Ava is 4 and my youngest Raina is 21 months old. My honey and I just hit our 1-year anniversary as homeowners, and that has been exciting, just turning our house into a home and sharing a little bit of that experience with you guys. So if this sounds like your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now, in today's video, I want to chat with you all about chores. And yes, I know my children are very young, but I do think that even small children should have chores, and I'm going to tell you why. So I did do a little bit of research because I didn't want to come to you all without receipts. And did you know that children who have chores are more independent? They learn time management, they learn responsibility, and it can also boost your child's confidence, help build strong work ethic, and teaches basic life skills. And guys, honestly, that's just to name a few. So today we're going to focus more on my oldest daughter, Ava. Now, Raina, the fact that she's not even 2, she doesn't really have chores per se. More so little tasks like cleaning up her toys when she's done playing. And something else that we do is when we change her clothes, I'll have her put her own clothes in the dirty clothes hamper. So little things like that. But Ava has a little more responsibilities. So a lot of things we've already been doing, but it's more so been me dictating and telling her, Ava, go brush your teeth. Ava, go do this. Ava, did you do that? Which can be a little daunting and for me and for her, you know? So I thought it would be really cute and cool to create a chore chart for her. And this way I can put all of her responsibilities and tasks right there on a piece of paper for her that she can see. It's tangible, it's easily accessible, and she's now learning to be more independent with her responsibilities. And honestly, you guys, since we started this, it's been amazing, and it really does make her feel like a big girl, and she feels accomplished when she completes her tasks. Now, I feel like this intro is starting to get a little bit lengthy, so I'm just gonna hop on the computer and show you exactly what I did. First, I'm opening up Canva. For those who don't know, Canva is a free graphic design platform. There is a pro version as well, which I do have, but the free one works out just as well. So in the search bar at the top, you can go ahead and type in whatever it is that you're trying to create if you want to have a template to go off of, or you can actually start with a blank canvas. I decided to just type in chore calendar kids, and I typed in kids because then I was hoping it would give me templates that are a little more youthful and fun for children rather than things that may be a little more sophisticated for adults. And as you can see, they have a wide variety of choices and templates to choose from. I did see one that kind of piqued my interest, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that one and create my own design from there. Now I'm going to speed this up a little bit as I share with you what I'm doing, but if you want a more in-depth video or tutorial on how to exactly use Canva, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to go ahead and get that out. So now I am literally just going through and changing out the things that I want to customize to what we're trying to do, which is create her chore chart or her morning routine. And I'm literally just going to swap all those things out and customize it to my liking. As you can see, I've changed the color of the highlighted areas behind activity today and Ava's chore chart. Now I am deleting all of the things that are in the center because that's not how I want it to look. So again, you truly can customize this however you want. I could have started off with a blank canvas, but I thought the little crayons and doodles that were along the sides and borders were really cute. So because Ava is only 4 years old, she doesn't know how to read yet, I'm going to add pictures to go with the words or to go with the task that she needs to do. So one of them is going to be to eat her breakfast. And then once she's finished with breakfast, she'll go ahead and mark that off of her chart. But obviously she can't eat breakfast. So I'm putting these little pancakes here so she'll know exactly what that is. And this also will help with learning to read, because as time goes on, she'll start to get familiar with what those words look like. Eat breakfast, and she'll know from her chore chart what that means, what it looks like visually, and it's another way of learning how to read. So I'm literally just going through with all of the tasks that I want her to do in the morning, every morning, and I'm just picking out some pictures that I think are appropriate and go with each of the tasks. Now that I, for the most part, have it looking the way that I want to, I'm just going through and kind of playing around with adding a few more little cute things to the sides. I thought this book bag went really well with the colors that were already there and thought it was cute, so I added that. And once you're done playing around with it and getting it just the way you like it, just go ahead and save it to your computer, and then you'll just print it out. Now, I chose to add mine to a picture frame that I already had. The idea was for her to be able to use a dry erase marker and check off the task that she completed, but then I quickly decided that may not have been the best idea because I don't want her to accidentally write on the wall or anything like that. So I opted to go with stickers instead, and I'll go ahead and show you how it came out. FYI, I did not tell her she needed to prepare her own breakfast, but since we started doing this chore chart, she's just been so excited to do everything on her own, and I never want to stifle her growth, so of course I allow her to do it and I just assist. So if you all stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it to be helpful, and I hope it inspires you to maybe do something similar with your little one. It really has been an amazing experience since we created her chore chart. It makes her feel so accomplished, so much like a big girl, and I can see that she really is learning. She literally just told me the other day, you know, Mommy, if I clean my room, I never have to clean my room. And I knew exactly what she meant by that. By picking up after yourself and doing these little small tasks, you never have this huge mess that you have to take care of because you're taking care of it on a day-to-day basis. So I can see how it is teaching her without me having to dictate it to her. So as you saw, it was really simple using Canva. Again, it's a free site. Now the pro version does have more options available, but the free version works just as well. If you all want a more in-depth tutorial on how to use Canva, just let me know down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get that out to you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.